striking new sensation.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Setelah. First of all, on behalf of Toyota Motor Thailand, allow me to express our sincere gratitude to all of you for joining us today, and let me officially introduce to you our all-new flagship sedan with the latest cutting-edge technology, the 8th generation Camry. Before introducing the all-new Camry, let me take you back in time into the phenomenal success story of our Camry. The origin of Camry was launched in Japan in 1980 as the sedan version of the legendary sport car, Celica. It was named and sold as Celica Camry in Japan just for 2 years. In spite of its short model life, Celica Camry gave a distinctive impression to the Japanese young people, including myself, when I was only 19 years old. Then in 1982, the first generation of Camry was officially born in Japan as a front-engine, front-drive sedan, which boasted the bigger interior size than Crown at the time. From that point onwards, Camry has become the global strategic model for Toyota, gaining the overwhelming success in over 100 countries, including Thailand. Its global sales is reaching 20 million units.
Aggressive, but attractive. Agile, but precise. Powerful, but calm. All new Camry, soul-striking luxury.
Tnga, Toyota New Global Architecture. Toyota's newest challenge to make ever better cars. A totally redesigned plat that has dramatically strengthened its core components to deliver superior driving dynamics. reduction of pitch and roll enables precise handling and agility. Optimization of wheel motion gives better steering responsiveness and a more comfortable ride. For maximum stability, the flexing movements are reduced. The thin pillars enhance visibility. Designed for fun to drive, exceeding your every driving expectation. Tnga, Toyota New Global Architecture. This is Toyota Hybrid. Swiftly managing the power of the petrol engine and the electric motor with maximum efficiency. Because the high-output electric motor is used when traveling at low speed. At cruising speed, engine power is used for maximum performance. At high speed, the petrol engine and electric motor combines to deliver highly responsive acceleration. The engine engages the generator when the battery becomes low. The motor also acts as a high-output generator, transforming braking energy into electric power. Powerful, yet a quieter driving experience. Since 1997, Toyota hybrid vehicles have saved more than 77 million tons of CO2 worldwide. Technologies help you to go further. More powerful, more fuel efficient, and quieter. Toyota Hybrid.